BlockFi Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Welcome to my review of BlockFi, a crypto exchange and financial services platform designed for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. BlockFi is more than a typical exchange. It's a platform focused on helping users grow their crypto assets with features like crypto-backed loans, interest accounts, and trading. Let's dive into my experience using BlockFi and explore whether it's the right platform for you. First, BlockFi's interest account is its flagship feature. It allows you to earn compound interest on various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. The interest rates are competitive, but keep in mind they vary depending on the amount you deposit. During my usage, I appreciated how earnings are paid out monthly, with the option to receive your interest in the same currency or another of your choice, a flexible and user-friendly feature. Next, let's talk about BlockFi's crypto-backed loans. These are a standout for anyone needing liquidity without selling their crypto assets. You can borrow up to 50% of the value of your holdings, with relatively low interest rates compared to traditional loans. In my experience, the loan process was seamless, with funds deposited into my bank account in under 24 hours. It's an excellent option for avoiding capital gains taxes or preserving your crypto position during market dips. On the trading side, BlockFi supports a modest selection of cryptocurrencies, making it a better fit for those focused on major coins rather than altcoins. Trades are commission-free, but the platform makes money through slightly adjusted spreads, so it's worth comparing rates with other exchanges. For me, the simplicity and ease of trading within the same ecosystem as my interest-earning account outweighed this slight cost. Security is another strength. BlockFi uses top-tier custodians like Gemini to store crypto assets and implements strong encryption for user data. While no platform is immune to risk, I found BlockFi's transparency about security practices reassuring. However, BlockFi isn't perfect. It doesn't currently support staking or advanced trading features, and its withdrawal fees, particularly for Bitcoin and Ethereum, can be higher than competitors. Also, recent regulatory scrutiny in some regions may impact services, so keep that in mind. In summary, BlockFi is ideal for those focused on earning passive income with crypto or leveraging their holdings for liquidity. It's not perfect for active traders or altcoin enthusiasts, but for long-term holders and those seeking simplicity, it's an excellent choice. My experience has been largely positive, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking to grow their crypto portfolio securely and efficiently.